welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the GetOpenFilename control within Excel. This is similar to when you click anywhere on a user interface application. It will come up with a menu asking you where the file is actually located. So, first things first, what we need to do is actually open Microsoft Excel. Okay, I've already got an instance of that running. Okay. So, first of all, you'll need to have the developer toolbar enabled on your system. So, what you need to do that is go to File, Options, and then you go Customize Ribbon, and you need to make sure that the Developer tab is ticked. Okay, that then brings up the access to the Developer ribbon on the top. So, from this, I then need to start coding in Visual Basic. So, I'll open that. Alternatively, as it says, you can use Alt and F11. Okay, so first of all, we're going to declare this as a public sub because I want it to be accessible for other modules outside of this subroutine. So we're going to call this one Get Open Fname Test, something like that. Okay, right, we're going to declare a dimension variable first of all, and something like my dialog or something like that, as, or you could just put GOFN, get open file name, but I don't like that, so I'll just use my dialog, and I'm going to declare it as a string variable because that's the actual return type that it passes. So my dialog is equal to application dot get open file name. Okay, so I'm going to specify the file filter because I don't want to use any of these. So this is the command that you use. You actually type the file filter, then you do a full colon equals. So this is going to be a string value, so it's going to be Excel files, and then I'm going to want to look for XLS, and then I'm going to use a wildcard there because obviously with the new format it's got an X at the end. Otherwise you could just specify two different types, but that'll do for what we're after. And then I'm going to specify title, select Excel open menu, something like that. And multi-select, what I'm going to do is actually give that a value of false because I only want one sheet opening at a time. So file filter is equal to XLS, title equal to that. Why doesn't it like that then? Let's just try that again, sorry about this. Get a bit, so file filter is Excel files, oh yeah, sorry. Duh. Title, open Excel files. Okay, and then multi select equal to false because I only want one file to be selected at a time. I'm just going to break this statement up somewhat. So after that, let's do an underscore. An underscore is the actual Excel VBA way of breaking a line. So yeah, okay. And then I want, because now we want to handle first of all if the dialog is going to be click cancelled, then I don't want anything to happen. So if my dialog is equal to false, or my dialog equal to nothing in the string field, then exit subroutine. Else, then this is where you apply the code if the actual condition is true. So if the condition is false, or the string that you've selected is equal to nothing, then it will exit automatically from the subroutine. Else, this is where we want to perform the function. So first of all, let's test that it works. So message box, and I just want my dialog. So I want to see if that, and I'm going to say VBA information. So I'll just get the nice little information arrow. And if. So let's put a button on the form. So you go to your insert menu. This is where your controls are for forms. You can get like drop downs, toggle buttons, frames, all that kind of stuff, and some more ActiveX components. But a command button will do for now. So I want to edit the text. So open Excel file. Okay, so click that. As you can see, hang on a second, I'll open my probabilities spreadsheet. Oh no, logistic regression. Oh no, that's the wrong, I've assigned the wrong, sorry about this guys, I've assigned the actual wrong. It's that one that I want. So yeah, open Excel file. So this is my one that I created. I was actually toggling with it earlier before the video. So now you should be able to select both different types of format. So if I just take the type out, you can see that now I've got both 2007 onwards and then prior versions, so 97 to 2003 compatible. So I can open any ones that I wish. So now I'm going to open the logistic regression, and as you can see, because I've coded a message box to inform me what the string is, it's come up with a logistic regression spreadsheet. If I wanted to open that, I could probably do something like, if I just go to assign macro, and then you can actually edit it from there. So instead of that popping up, I'll just comment that out. I'm going to do something like this workbook dot follow hyperlink, and then I just want it to open my dialog. So like a hyperlink to that actual spreadsheet that you choose. So let's try this again. Open Excel file. We'll do the same example. So logistic regression. Hit open. You can put multiple filters on here, but I've just stuck with the Excel files because that's all I want to open, obviously within Excel. So click open. You get an error message. That's to do with 2010's improved security. Just click yes, and as you can see, the logistic regression spreadsheet has opened, as well as my book one there, so it's embedded it. That's how I want it to happen. So then you can toggle between both, so it doesn't close that down. You could also put something like, I said it again. Put this and then this workbook. I could put this. I've obviously got to put that first. This workbook dot close. So it closes the existing one, and then follows the hyperlink to the new one. Try that again. Logistic regression. Open. Obviously, because I've we'll save this onto my desktop, and I'll just save it as book one for now. I'll got to save it as a macro enabled workbook, which is a new function in 2007 versions onwards. So that's that. Okay, so now it's enabled, and now it's just open logistic regression up. So if I go back to my desktop again, open book one back up, close that one down for the time being. So let's open this up. It's not playing ball at the moment. Open book one. There we go. So open Excel file. So open Excel file. Comes up with the spreadsheet, the database again. I would just go onto my removable drive and go to my Microsoft Excel folder. And we were dealing with logistic regression. So open that again. And that's that. I think what's happened there though is because it's better to not actually assign that first value to it that we just did, because what it's saying is this workbook closed, and then it doesn't actually know which workbook to follow the hyperlink to because it's closed the project down. I wonder if I change the ordering of this to say, actually I could just call it book1.close. Workbooks dot book 1 dot close, something like that. So go back to my Kingston again. Right, okay. Logistic regression, open. I'll save that again. Yeah, and it brings the logistic regression up. So we'll just check this one last time. Sorry for keep going over the process, but it does help to get it in your mind. So open Excel file, and then obviously I want that Microsoft Excel, and then go down to the logistic regression spreadsheet. Open that up. That opens, and the existing book closes, and then we've got the desired outcome. You probably wouldn't want to do that. You wouldn't want the close function, but that's just another usage for it. So I'll close it down, just go back over the code once more just to show you what it's all doing. Come on, book one. For some reason today my computer's just not playing ball. Right, so I'll just go sign my career and I'm going to edit that. So let's comment this. So obviously declares a string. So, and then we go on to assigning my dialog to a application object called GetOpenFilename. From there we then used a filter for Excel files, used the title, and disabled multiple selections in the actual box. Sections. So, and then in this statement it's an if/or statement, so we go, if the dialog value is equal to false, so we didn't actually test this, the cancel section, is equal to false, i.e. if there's nothing selected in there, or if what has been selected is a null entry, then exit the subroutine. Yep. So that then exits the sub, then we get an else statement, and this is where we perform the successful function. So all we're then doing is saying from this workbook I want to follow a hyperlink to the my dialog location, and then we're actually closing the workbook 1, which is what this is called, and it closes. Okay, so I click on this again. I'm just going to test if that cancel's working. Yep. So as you can see, there's nothing selected. It will return a Boolean value anyway, because that's how the GetOpen dialog box works. So clicking cancel, so we've handled both errors that can occur. And then if obviously open, there's It's not going to open anything yet because we haven't actually got a file name in there. Go to my IT stuff again. Excel, and what we can do is open a formulas one this time, and that opens. Yeah. Okay, so that's basically how we demo the GetOpenFilename method. I hope that was informative. If you've got any comments, please leave them on my comments section of my YouTube page. Please feel free to subscribe, and if anyone needs further access to the code or any helping hand, just let me know. Okay, bye for now.